So, I've been meaning to make another video on this channel after the dumbass read that was, So I was sitting here thinking, right? What type of video dumb ideas could I have done? What can I make music out of? What can I bullshit? So I had an idea earlier today. I've currently forgot what it was. And then I thought, oh yeah, there's a lot of construction happening. So what I'm thinking is I'll make some Infekty Chibs-ish rhythm shit. There's still construction happening as I'm recording this. Alright, let's begin with, I think this was the more crashy sounding one. Okay, there's so much white noise again, because this is just a fucking USB mic, and my laptop fan was probably also really loud, so there's a lot of high end. Okay, I got a basic ass pattern. It always sounds kind of rhythmy. See if we can make some kind of sustain out of one of these. Ooh, I like that one immediately. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. It's like a little sound effect. Ooh. The fuck? What was that? Okay. Hello? Oh my god. There we go. That's something at least. We use the... Sure, this is the first non-construction sound, which is just me fiddling with my microphone. I think, honestly, the only thing I want to do with this is quantize it and maybe a little bit of delay? Maybe a disperser? Fuck yeah. Alright, one more sound I think for the intro. There's a specific little donkey I wanted to use. That's the one. This doesn't have any tone to it. Okay, we are in a G. Ooh, there we go. That has good tonality to it. What the fuck? And just so we absolutely get it, maybe even a little bit of pitch map. There we go. There we go. Don't this rhythm tracks usually have some kind of bullshit vocal thing over them? Alright, we are building. Construction time. Yo, break it down. You get it because it's construction work. Anyway, drop time. You also need to make it sound demonic and shit, aka put a ring mount on it.
Get your heavers out. Get those heavers out. You're building here. Anyway, drop time.
Thank you all for watching this shit. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make a lot more of these, but yeah, it's been fun. Also, for those who don't know, I have a main channel as well. Might be uploading there soon as well, so please go check that out. It'll be in the description. And yeah, see ya.